Meet the Tank, our custom off-grid camper built from a ruggedized cargo trailer. This beast takes us anywhere, and now it's even cooler. We just added a 5,000 BTU air conditioner, and it's a game changer. Powered by our 2,000-watt solar generator, hooked up to a single 340-watt solar panel. This setup runs our AC all night long, keeps our electric fridge freezer ice cold, powers lights, a fan, and even our pressurized hot-cold water system. No hookups, no propane, just pure solar-powered comfort in the wild.